Hey guys, let me ask you something. You got your exam results, and it wasn't what you hoped for. It feels like the world just crashed, right? You studied hard, but it still wasn't enough. Sound familiar? Take a deep breath. You're not alone, and failing an exam does not define your worth or your future. Today, we'll talk about exactly what to do after failing, how to handle the emotions, and most importantly, how to come back stronger than ever. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn this setback into your biggest comeback. So stay with me. Step 1. Acknowledge your emotions. It's okay to feel disappointed, frustrated, angry. Cry if you need to. Talk to someone you trust. Write it down. Here's a mindset shift. Failure is feedback, not a verdict. Your exam result doesn't measure your intelligence, your potential, or your dreams. It just shows that this approach didn't work. That's all. Pause for a second. How are you feeling right now? Write it down, if it helps. The sooner you accept your feelings, the faster you can start moving forward. Once the emotions settle, it's time to reflect. Don't panic. This isn't about blaming yourself, it's about learning. Ask yourself, did I manage my time well? Was my study method effective? Did I focus on the right topics? Did exam anxiety get the better of me? Write your answers down. Be honest, but kind. Reflection is a superpower. It helps you grow faster. Step 3. Make a concrete plan. Failing doesn't mean the end. Think of it as training for your next exam. Here's a simple 3-step plan. Analyze your syllabus and exam pattern. Know exactly what was asked and where you lost marks. Adjust your study methods, flashcards, active recall, or group study. Find what works for you. Set realistic goals. Break your preparation into small, achievable milestones. Treat your next exam as a practice for growth, not a life or death test. Progress is built one step at a time. Next challenge: handling pressure from parents, friends, or society. You might hear things like, "Why didn't you study harder?" This is the end of your dreams. Here's how to handle it. Communicate calmly. Let them know you have a plan. Filter the negativity. Not everyone's opinion matters. Focus on constructive feedback. Remember your worth. Exams measure knowledge, not your character. Pause and ask yourself, whose opinion actually matters in this moment? Focus on them. Failing can hit your mental health hard. Anxiety, low self-esteem, even depression can creep in. Here's how to stay strong. Exercise or walk daily clears your mind. Meditation or journaling. Process your emotions. Positive reinforcement. Celebrate small wins. And surround yourself with uplifting people. Motivation is contagious. Negativity drains energy fast. Here's the truth. Some of the most successful people failed multiple times before greatness. Albert Einstein didn't speak until he was 4. J.K. Rowling faced countless rejections before Harry Potter. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Failure isn't final. It's a stepping stone, a lesson disguised as a setback. Remember this, your next step matters more than your last exam. So, if you failed your exams, remember, feel your emotions, reflect on what went wrong, make a realistic plan, protect your mental health, keep perspective, and stay motivated. Failure is tough, but it's temporary. Your next step defines your journey, not this exam. If this video helped you feel less alone and more focused, like, share, and subscribe. And comment below. What's your biggest lesson from failing? I want to read your stories. Your comeback starts today.